And we're back to learn CapCut. Let me show this yo-yo bounce transition. We need two clips. They're both stacked in the same video channel in the timeline. I select the first one on the left. Then I go to Animation, Combo. Here you have to scroll a little bit to find the yo-yo effect. And there are two, a yo-yo 1 and a yo-yo 2. I want to use the first one. And you can see it starts and then it kind of slows a little bit down and then speeds up again. So you want to time that a little bit better. I would go to around 1.5 seconds. Then select the second clip, again Animation, Combo. And here you want to use a bounce. There should be two bounce effects installed. We want to use the bounce 2. And they should both be somewhat at the top, right here. And here I also would go to 1.5, maybe even lower to 1 second. And that's how you can create this yo-yo bounce effect. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.